Welcome, everyone. Have you ever felt that people don't take you seriously even when you're speaking English correctly? Maybe you know the words. Maybe your grammar is not perfect but still okay. But somehow when you speak it just doesn't sound powerful. It doesn't leave a strong impression. It doesn't make people say, "Wow, that person sounds smart." And inside you know it. You walk away from conversations thinking, "I could have said that better. Why do I sound nervous? Why does my English feel weak even when I know what I want to say?" If that's you, you are not alone. There are millions of people around the world who speak English, but still feel invisible, still feel small in meetings, still feel embarrassed in conversations, still feel like something is missing. And today, we are going to fix that. This video is not about speaking perfect English. This is about something even more powerful: speaking better and sounding smarter. Because speaking smart doesn't mean using big difficult words. It means clarity. It means confidence. It means control. When you talk better, people listen. When you talk better, people respect you. And when you talk better, even with simple English, you automatically sound smarter. That is exactly what you're going to learn here step by step. Every part of this video is built to show you what you're doing wrong, what you should do instead, and how to practice it daily in simple, practical, clear ways, even if you are a complete beginner. Don't worry, this is the easiest, most useful, and most honest video you will ever watch about sounding smart in English. So listen carefully, pause and practice. Watch till the end. And if you find this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more English videos that actually make a difference. Now, let's begin with part 1. Part 1. Why you sound weak and how to change it. Let's begin with one powerful truth. Most people sound weak not because their English is wrong but because their delivery is poor. Their English is flat. Their voice is shaky. Their sentences are too long. They speak too fast or too soft. They use filler words like and you know. They are not in control of their voice, their tone, or their message. And that is the first reason people don't sound smart, even if their vocabulary is decent. Let's take two people. Both say the same thing. I don't think that's the right way. One says it with calm, slow, confident voice. The other says it fast, nervous, weak. Which one sounds smarter? Of course, the one who delivers it better. The second one may know the words, but without strong delivery, it doesn't matter. This is where most learners make a mistake. They focus only on learning more words, but never train how they sound. And the truth is, people don't only listen to your words, they feel your energy. That energy, your voice, your tone, your pace, your pauses, that's what makes you sound smart. Let's break it down slowly and clearly. You speak too fast.